Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and there is glare on my glasses, I have a feeling. I'm trying to find a place in my beauty room to do videos that are not me putting on makeup, and I wanted a different background, so we're trying things out today. So today's video is just about 5 home hacks that you can use, well, that you can try using Dollar Tree products. And these are really, really simple. And the first one is using the metal paper towel holder, which I will put a picture of here. And you just put your trash bags on it. There are a million ways that you could use this metal paper towel holder. Now at the Dollar Tree, products are $1.25. They're no longer $1 in most places. Eventually all stores will be like that if yours is not like that yet. This is still worth the price for sure. I have seen a bajillion things with this product, but for me, this was the simplest thing because I don't like boxes and like trying to drag things out of there. So all you do is you take that middle one out, you put it on top, and then you just pull one off at a time. It's brilliant. We like something a little more heavy duty for our actual paper towels that actually presses them down. So this is a great idea or a great use for kind of a more basic paper towel holder. The second one is using the metal napkin holders, which I will put a picture of right here. Again, a bajillion uses for this. Like, I've seen the coolest ideas, the most creative ideas. The one I used was something that I actually needed in my home. Like, we moved into our new home a few months ago, about 6 months now, and I love all the space that we have. I love all the storage that we have. However, the cabinets and the drawers are really big, really wide, really deep, which is awesome because there's a lot that you can fit in there, but it's hard to grab what you need and it's hard to organize when everything is just down at the bottom and you have all this standing room. So what we did was we just needed a little spot to put our lids for our Tupperware. You like how we call things Tupperware, but that's just the brand name. So we have the glass containers with the plastic lids, and I actually am looking for different lids for those, but anyway, that's a different thing. The lids are just everywhere. We don't have a lot of lids. We've really pared down, but what I did was I put 2 of the Dollar Tree metal napkin holders together with just some zip ties from the Dollar Tree. Cut those off, and then I separated those lids into, you know, there's 2 little spaces. You can add as many as you want. You can turn it on its side and you can roll up hand towels and napkins and put them in there. But really that's what we needed them for, was our lids, and I only needed 2 because we don't have a lot. This is one that Freddie actually saw. I think it's a TikTok. The only thing I watch on TikTok is animal stuff. If I got a TikTok, I would be obsessed. I know it. I know that there are clever people in the world. I don't know who came up with this, but it is brilliant. So I will show Freddie doing this, but you can take the smaller bottles of Fabuloso or Ajax or whatever, just the cleaning solution. So it sucks at the Dollar Tree because they're not full, not all the products are the full size. However, the smaller sizes work well in this case. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drill a hole in the top. This last time we decided to drill a hole in the bottom as well, and you put it in the back of your toilet. So every time you flush, a little bit of that Fabuloso or Ajax or whatever it is seeps out. It smells really nice. It's like a refreshing smell, and it also does a little bit of a cleaning into the bowl. So I think it's brilliant. Whoever came up with this, you are a genius. I do recommend though doing a very tiny hole. The one we did last was kind of big and the smell is just overpowering for me personally. However, brilliant idea, super cool. You definitely gotta try it and let me know. Okay, this next one blew my mind. I should have waited it to dry just a teeny tiny bit more, but you can take slime, tiny bitly dried out slime, or silly putty, anything like of the stickiness, not sand at all. You don't want any grains at all. But you let that stuff dry out just a little bit, especially if it's the slime stuff. Silly putty already kind of comes more dry, and you can use it to grab crumbs and dust in those little crevices in your keyboard and in your car. You guys, this just blew me away. My keyboard is disgusting. I do have a brand new van, well, brand new van to me. If I don't know when this is going up, but I'll be putting that in the vlog. And I get crumbs everywhere. There's dust. It just, you know, like around the radio area or around, you know, the keyboard on your computer. you just put the slime on there and it just eats it all up. It's perfection. Again, whoever comes up with this is a genius. And then lastly, this one I have talked about a lot in the past because I just love it and I use it literally every day. And that is taking a wooden clothespin. It's got to be wooden. And then you're gonna put whatever essential oils you love. I like a calming scent and combo for the car because that's where I put mine. And I'm a little bit of like an angry driver. I'm a safe driver, but I get angry easily in the car. So this helps me calm myself down a little bit. So you just take a little bit of your personal essential oil choice and you do a few droplets, I would say 2 or 3, and I do the combo of lavender and peppermint, and I put the same in each. Sometimes a little bit less on the peppermint because it's a little stronger. Anyway, so I mix that together, a few droplets on that, and then I take the little, I was gonna say my Q-tip, my clothespin, and I put it into the air vent. So it clips on there, and then whatever air or heat that comes through wafts the scent in. So these are really, really easy things to do. The only thing that I didn't find at the Dollar Tree would be the essential oils, and I do highly recommend investing in good essential oils so that you are not breathing in chemicals. And brilliant stuff. Let me know down below if you have tried any of these. If you do try them for the first time, let me know how they worked, what you like, what you don't like, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.